Do you hear the buzzing sound? The sound you hear right now is actually coming from my Starlink router. This is a general issue. There are some inverters you would plug your Starlink router to that it will cause this sound to basically come out of it. It's like a frequency sound. There's an entire post about sine wave inverters and all of that on Reddit about it. So it's not like my issue, it's a general issue. Just keep that in mind, that if you plug it to some certain inverters, it will buzz like this, right? When you're back on power, like generator or NEPA, you won't hear this sound, but some inverters would cause your Starlink router to make this noise. Now, it's not very loud. If I back off, right, the sound is not really, it's barely noticeable, right? But if you're close, it's on my work table at the moment. So because it's on my work table, I can hear the sound